Problem solving. Step 1. I can read the problem and identify the key information. So here we have a very generic problem that you might encounter. First of all, what we're going to do is we're going to take our highlighter and we're going to go through the problem and highlight all the key information. So firstly, it says Jacob had £20 in his pocket. He went for a 20-minute walk into the shop where he bought food for £14.60 and a drink for £2.80. How much change does Jacob have left? Did Jacob go over? Right, so with a problem like this, okay, first of all, I know what operation it is because it says left. So we want to find out how much he has left over, so that means we're probably going to have to do subtraction. Okay, and then we're also something involving change or money. So we know that the 20-minute walk isn't going to be important. We know he had £20 at the start, and he bought food for £14.60 and a drink for £2.80. So that's all the important information we have there. Step 2. I can draw the key information. Right, now that we've highlighted the key information, we're going to use some pictures. Now I'm going to use a bar model, but you don't have to. Use whatever picture that you think will help you to better understand and represent this problem. So first I'm going to draw a bar that shows the £20 here. So the start, so this is his £20 note. He then spends £14.60 of it on food, which is a lot of food. And we're going to draw another smaller bar to represent £2.80. And finally, we need to know how much change there is left over. Step 3 says I can say what maths I will use for each step. So, first of all, I know I'm going to have to add these two together. Once I've got that answer, whatever it might be, I'm going to have to take it away from 20. Because in that way, I can find out exactly how much change we have left over. Once you've figured out what maths you also need to use, we're going to step 4. I can tell a partner what I will do first. So at this point, you can turn to your group and decide between yourselves exactly how you're going to work out this problem step by step. Step 5. I can tell a partner what I'll try next. So even after your first attempt has failed, and you've racked your brain, turn to your partner in your group and try something new. Okay, this is all about not giving up and trying your best. And finally, for step 6, I can indicate when I need help. So no matter how much you try, and if you're still getting really stuck, please remember, always ask somebody in your group or on your table that you need help. Or better yet, get out your red and green card and actually show us if you can understand what you're doing or if you've desperately stuck. Okay, good luck with the next problem.